and the journey continues. Like all great journeys, ours started with a vision that steadily developed to become a beacon of hope and promise for science. Today, the Kuwait Foundation for the Advancement of Sciences, also known as KFAS, has evolved to become one of the country's most prominent organizations that support science, technology, and innovation, as it opens new possibilities to realize potential and enable progress for all. The late Emir of Kuwait, His Highness Sheikh Jabir Al Ahmad Al Sabah, had a dream to support and further the progress of science in Kuwait. In 1976, he brought that vision to life by establishing the first foundation dedicated for the advancement of science. Private sector companies contribute 1% of their annual net profit to the foundation. As part of its growing collaboration, KFAS offers the contributing companies 4 programs that aim to enrich their scientific knowledge, facilitate their technological advancement, and help develop their professional, research, and innovative skills. The Foundation's consistent efforts towards fostering a scientific culture have translated into funding over 939 research projects, publishing numerous scientific publications in digital and traditional formats, and in developing smartphone and tablet applications. Since its inception, KFAS has believed in the power of recognition. It launched a number of noteworthy awards, including the Kuwait Prize for Arab and Kuwaiti Scientists and the Scientific Production Prize for Kuwaiti researchers. So far, more than 250 scientists and scholars have been granted these awards over the years. This approach has recently been expanded with the introduction of 2 new prizes in 2015, Al Sumait Prize for African Development and the Anwar Al-Nouri Prize, dedicated to exceptional PhD dissertations in the field of education in the Arab world. As part of its ongoing strategy to bridge the gap between the world of science and the general public, KFAS has established a number of scientific and research centers, the most notable of which is the Scientific Center of Kuwait, established in the year 2000. The center has become the ultimate venue for scientific entertainment and education for both children and adults. In 2006, KFAS established the Dasman Diabetes Institute, an organization that is dedicated to carry out research and provide treatment solutions to help minimize the escalating rates of diabetes in Kuwait. The Institute has published 90 research articles and is currently working on 65 research projects, enabling it to win the Canadian Institutes of Health Research Gold Certificate. KFAS established another center, the Jabir Al Ahmad Center for Nuclear Medicine and Molecular Imaging, managed in collaboration with the Ministry of Health and Kuwait University. The center's mandate is to diagnose incurable diseases and explore new and innovative treatment approaches. The foundation also established the Subah Al Ahmad Center for Giftedness and Creativity, an innovative hub that provides workshops for youth to guide them in developing their inventions and to nurture their potentials and talents and help them turn ideas into reality. Every year, KFAS funds a diverse pool of scientific projects that enhance sustainable development. Recently, the foundation began implementing the Solar Energy Project, with the target of reducing Kuwait's energy consumption by 15% in the future. The pilot project started in Al Zarak Cooperative Society and will soon expand to other cooperatives and homes. For the last 40 years, KFAS spared no effort to nurture the scientific culture of the country in an attempt to establish a knowledge-based society. It has supported innovation and science as the foundations of sustainable development and as a cornerstone to realizing a prosperous future for the state of Kuwait.